Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to create the model or how to define the model. So let's say I am going to use the product model. I'm going to create the product model. So we can just rename the file product. Yeah, this in the model. So the file is renamed. Now we can install the first we install the entity framework core install. So in model only I have installed the entity framework core. Now just close this. Now we have to define the table name. That's this coming from data annotations schema. Now I'm going to define product ID. Now I have to mention the key. Now I'm going to add one more field called product SKU, public string product SKU or product code. You can say anything else. Product this because we have the Apple products, so multiple of the Apple, but we require the unique. Now for unique, I have to add the constraint on the table level. So I'm going to use here index from entity framework code name of. So just I have given the field name product SKU. Then I have to define is unique equals to true. So that's mean the product we are going to add is the product SKU is a unique. So we can just rename. You cannot insert a duplicate product SKU. We can just product name and product price and product description. I'm going to add one more field called IsActive. Many times we have to make the product but it not available for sale or something else. So you can say is available or is I'm going to say is active. So here we define the model that will create automatically that will create the product table in our database. Define the keys database generated option dot is identity. So it automatically auto increment the identity like 1 2 3 auto incremented. So we have defined this one. So in this way we have to create the entity for our model class for a product. So in the next video I am going to show you how to create the DB context class. So thank you for watching this video.